who is Harshit Yadav?
I'm Hi everybody. This is Harshit Yadav, and I'm a computer science student, final year, and I'm basically from Noida, UP. And I've from past like 1.5 years, have grown a community of 32K followers on Instagram, sharing
Great man.
developer tips, coding related content, and
Okay.
productivity tips.
Mhm.
And what I share, I basically share everything about that.
Okay. So it's like what you learn about AI, you will try to integrate in your life and you will
Yeah,
enlighten the audience. Like we can do like this also.
yeah, yeah,
So you are in the final year of your engineering. Huh?
yeah.
Oh, Superman. So parallelly, you also do have a community. So that's totally
Yeah.
awesome. So like today's session will be all about integrating AI in your engineering and implementing
Yeah.
that into your life and making your career. So that will be the fun of today's session. So like we know that once to be updated in this 21st century, you should be updated about what's happening surrounding you. So, what is your approach, Harshit? Like you,
Like I
yeah,
just follow, yeah, I just follow some really good accounts on social media, like
okay,
on Instagram and Twitter.
okay,
There's a account called Ben Stevens Tech, the Rundown AI, and
mhm,
every.to.
okay,
These are some accounts I follow to keep up with AI news.
mhm,
They post bit-sized content, so
okay.
that's really good to consume. Like, it's not about too much of content, it's a bit sized content, so you can easily consume that.
So they will share the
And
notification. Yeah, good, good.
yeah, and there's a cool trick, like on Google Discover, if you like AI tech content, if you
Mhm.
start liking that, so
Okay,
Google Discover will start and learning that and share share that with you,
super,
like,
super. So they will share the
so that
notification
you can
and
keep up
you will
from it.
follow that
Yeah,
thing. Okay. You mentioned
yeah.
that what you learn, I mean, AI stuff, whatever you learn, you will try to integrate into your day-to-day life. Like, how you do, Harshit? Like, what is your strategy by learning and integrating into your life? What is your strategy about?
I use a tool called
Okay.
Google's Notebook LM. So
Okay.
basically, I put all the links. I'm learning about Java or something like AI or something like that. So
Mhm.
I put everything, every resource in that, like
Mhm.
links, YouTube
Okay.
videos, and everything.
Mhm.
And Notebook LMs create like mind maps and podcasts also. So
Mhm.
that's a really good tool to
Okay.
learn
Mhm.
everything about anything.
So it will
If
act. Mhm.
if you put, yeah, if you put any resource, like if you put a YouTube video, and you can start asking about questions about everything in that video. So
So it's like
that's
you will put all your routine into that platform and it will start reminding you do like this stuff and all. Is it the same? Like how is it?
like it's a tutor, like you
Okay.
can start asking questions,
Okay.
and it will tell you the
Okay.
answers.
Google Notebook LLM, Google Note LLM.
Note Google's Notebook LM.
LLM.
LM.
Okay. Super, super. So all the description, all the links what he are mentioning, I will put in the description, guys. You can just try to use them and see the impact how it works for you. Okay. So uh, I have a habit of doing to do list. Okay. So day before the day, I mean, if the things has to be due tomorrow, the day before I will just note everything and I will keep a list of that. So how you will track all the stuff, Harshit? Like you are following some stuff or like any software, any platform, like how you will track the things?
Like I'm basically I use Notebook. Sorry, I use Notion to track all my
Question. Okay. Mhm.
content, like
Okay.
my daily task and all the things.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's a newsletter called the Rundown AI
Okay.
newsletter. Every morning I just get a 2 minutes email summary, so to keep up with AI stuff.
Oh man, you are like crazy
That's
person. Huh?
good.
You like automated whole your day-to-day routine into a AI. You are some kind of a crazy serious person. I can see. Super, man. So let's assume that individual who is doing his engineering, he's in second year or third year or also in the final year of engineering. So how they can start AI ML course, Harshit? What is your approach? Like, how did you start?
Look,
Example of
uh,
yourself. Yeah.
like go to Hugging Face or Google Teachable Machines.
Okay.
These platforms let you experiment with machine learning by simply drag and dropping files.
Okay.
If you want to build a image classifier, just upload 10 to 15 photos of cats and 10 to 15 photos of dogs.
Okay.
Hit trend and watch it learn. So it's basically very good tool if you are starting learning about ML.
Okay.
So
So they
yeah.
start from the scratch, huh? Like they are starting from the scratch, like,
Yeah.
and
Basically, it is for beginners.
beginners. Okay.
Great for beginners. Yeah.
So if you have hands-on on such platform, like, can you give an example, like how you will start learning?
Uh, like, uh, I basically built a mood detection app from that. I used Hugging
Okay.
sentiment model,
Mhm. Okay.
and I trained my model that like it's a pre-trained model. So I
Super.
use that, and I when I give my sentence to it,
Okay.
it just show me the emoji of like
Mm-hmm.
how you are feeling like that.
Super. Uh-huh.
It's a
Okay.
very beginner friendly project. I'm just
Okay.
learning about AI and stuff. Yeah.
Is it subscription or is it free platform, Harshit? How is it?
Like it's free if you are a beginner. It's a
Okay.
free.
Mm. Super.
If you are learning, it's free.
Super. So you mentioned that you are doing your final year of your engineering. So there will be a lot of
Yeah.
other subjects you need to learn, right? And parallelly,
Yeah.
you are also doing a content on AI and AI models, everything. So how has been your computer science journey, Harshit? Integration of AI and also the curriculum syllabus. Like how it has been impacted on you. Like what is the benefit you are
Like
getting from this? Yeah.
from like in from previous semester we were supposed to build a project.
Okay.
So me and my teammates started exploring about AI and stuff. So we are building a website with AI integration on it. So I
Okay.
started exploring about AI and stuff. So
Mhm.
yeah, basically mathematicals. Once I understood that AI model is
Okay.
basically mathematical function
Hmm.
that finds pattern in data. Suddenly, algorithms and data structures
Okay.
made me more sense,
Hmm.
and I was very like not too great on data
As well.
structure or
Hmm.
that part.
Okay.
So yeah, it it helped me a
So
lot.
you are like, because you had a hands-on on this AI ML model and you are able to study the concept. So you can relate where I can connect this stuff into my curriculum. So it was easy
Yeah,
to,
yeah,
right? Yeah.
yeah, yeah. It's easy.
All right. So here you are using Python as your language, of course.
No. I basically use Java.
Java. Okay.
Yeah,
So
Java. Java. I
just
basically
enlighten
use
me,
Java.
Harshit. Just enlighten me if I'm wrong. Like Java, like in the AI model, you are also using the Java training models and all.
Yeah, like yes, it's a there's Java Spring AI
Okay.
for Java.
Spring AI.
So
Okay. Super. Super.
basically, yeah,
Mhm.
Spring AI. So it's a generative AI platform like for Java developers.
All right.
Yeah, so
Super.
basically, I'm using that to integrate AI in my
Uh-huh.
website.
So all your development is in the Java.
You can yeah, I'm basically a Java developer.
Okay.
So you can also use Python is great for ML. Everybody knows that.
Mhm.
So, but my tech stack is Java oriented, so I
Okay.
use that.
Super. 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 So in the Spring Boot, we can just create a jar file and we can just directly create a
Yeah,
zip file and we
just
can
use Spring AI to integrate models.
initiator, Spring initiator. Yeah. Super. 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 So, we will be in engineering, but once we done with our engineering, our projects, since we are a fresher, we are, deploying as a fresher, our projects make a very impact during the interviews. So, like,
Yeah,
you are going. in a crazy mood and you are having hands-on in the projects, like what are the simple mini projects you suggest to our audience, Harshit? So what mini project this?
like I previous yeah like I previously said, I built a mood detection app. It's very beginner friendly app. You can also build it.
Okay.
There's a hugging face sentiment model. You can use that.
Okay.
and uh, and you can also use open AI API or
Mhm.
DeepSeek AI API, like
Okay.
all kind of models.
Mm-hmm.
DeepSeek is free, so
Lipstick. Okay.
if you are using an API, use DeepSeek.
Mm-hmm.
So if it's a project, like if you give it a sentence, it
Mm-hmm.
will analyze and give an uh, uh, an emoji as output.
Emoji.
So
Super.
it detects basically your mood. So that's
Okay.
very cool project. I think a beginner friendly project. I have built
Okay.
that.
So any website you refer, Harshit, like Geek for Geeks, is there any other alternative website you refer for the?
Like it's a yeah. I recommend Hugging Face website. It's
Okay.
very
Mhm.
great for beginners.
Okay.
There's a lot of content, and Google's AI essential course also. You can
Mm-hmm.
start learning from that
Okay.
always. Also, yeah,
Super. We'll just jump to this total scratch. Okay. So what we have discussed, we'll just keep it aside. So I am a newbie. Okay. I'm a newbie, but I don't know anything about the AI ML. But I am a total enthusiast. So I want to do my career in AI. That is my mindset. So
yeah,
if I want to start from the scratch, okay, I even मुझे एक भी पता नहीं है, दो भी पता नहीं है. I'm total zero. Okay. So, what is
yeah.
your suggestion? What is your roadmap strategy, Harshit? A newbie has to jump into this AI profile. So, what is the roadmap he or she should follow? Over to you.
Like just go to Google Colab. It's
Okay.
uh,
Mhm.
it's like having a supercomputer on your browser for free.
Okay.
So no software installation or any kind of environment like that.
Mhm.
And just search for machine learning notebooks in
Okay.
Colabs. Example, pick something interesting like image classification with Keras
Mhm.
or text generation with GPT,
Okay. Mhm.
and just press shift plus enter. You can just you
Mhm.
are ready to go. And if you are a beginner, very beginner, you can also, there's a course from Google
Okay.
Essentials AI course.
Okay.
You can
Mhm.
also start that.
It
It's
is
very beginner friendly. So,
it is
yeah,
free from the Google, and we can get it from the
Google Colab. Google
Google.
Colab. It's like it's like environment on your browser for free.
Mhm. Okay.
You can, yeah,
So you suggest to go
start
with.
any models and yeah.
So you suggest to go with a foundation course and try to understand what is this AI is all about, and later just increase your level up. And also, what about
Yeah.
the coding language, Harshit? Like, how did you start from the scratch?
From like uh, initially I started with Python,
Okay.
but one of my seniors told me that I asked him about in which language would I do my
Mhm.
DSA and
Okay.
all stuff.
Mhm.
So he said Java. Pick Java is great
Okay.
for like all plain stuff. So
Mhm.
I started using Java from then.
Okay. So again, guys, there is no fight between Java versus Python. It is all
Yeah,
individual. Again, it is all individual opinion. So all individuals will be having their own opinion and own choice. So you can go with Python. You can go with R. So it's your interest of language. Again, here no versus Java, no versus Python again. Correct na, bhai? Rashid bhai. Correct na?
yeah. Obviously, there's
So,
no fight between Java or Python or anything. You
so
can choose
that's, that's what.
any language you want.
So all languages are developed for the reason. So all will be having impact in specific domain. So you just choose the language according to your preference. That's it. Okay. So that's it. So looking into current market, Harshit, you being a final year, you might know the market ups and downs. So
Yeah,
so people are talking, AI is the trending in current market, and there is more up to the mark. Like ML will be having more demand in coming days. So, what is your understanding about the market requirement, Harshit? How is the demand for the final year engineer student? Yeah.
like from my overview, what I observe, it's like very all the companies right now ask hire people who knows about AI a little bit. So uh, yeah, so basically try to learn about AI,
Mhm.
implement AI into your projects,
Mhm.
and keep up with AI
Mhm.
because AI is everywhere right now,
Yeah, that's right.
and you have to keep up with that.
Mhm.
And if you won't keep up with that, I don't think
Okay.
there's job for
So,
you in the future.
so my understanding is like try to understand what is happening surrounding you, and try to
Yeah,
integrate what are the skill set are demanding. Try to integrate. Try to have a hands-on. Like you can follow the routine of Harshit. So we can do models. We can train the models. We can get a hands-on and be a ready individual who have a hands-on on AI and ML. So that's what I can say, Harshit. Correct me if I'm wrong.
yeah. Totally, you are correct.
So
AI
we
is like
totally agree. Totally agree. So we have this, tendency. When I was in engineering, when I was in the college doing engineering, so we have this traditional mode of following our pattern. पहले तो first 2 years enjoy करो. बाद में 3 and 4 start preparing for placements and start working on skill upgradation. So what was your smart move, Harshit? Like at what stage of your engineering you took a smart move and started working on that? Like what was the pace? Yeah.
uh, I'm not different from you as well. I started late,
Acha.
and that's a regret for me because if I started early, I am a bit more confident on my skills
Uh-huh.
and learn more about everything like
Uh-huh.
everything like AI and stuff. So yeah, if you are very like in the first year or second year,
Uh-huh. Uh,
start early. Just do funs, I mean, like do parties and all, but keep learning. Give 1 hour to learning, and when like I started late in my third year,
okay.
and yeah, I started late in my third year, but
Mhm.
content I was like content I was posting,
Mhm.
what I was learning, but not very frequently I
Okay.
was
Mhm.
posting content on my
Okay.
stuff.
Okay.
So I suggest everyone to, if you are a very beginner, like
Uh-huh.
first year or second year, start early learning everything like data structure or development, everything.
Totally.
Start putting efforts from first year. Uh,
Totally,
yeah,
totally agree with you. I won't say start from first year, start from second year, start from day one. So once you jump into the
yeah,
engineering, your time starts. Start from the day one, and if you are serious, start from day one. If you are also not serious, start from day one. So later you should not regret for the decisions what you made in the previous year. That is what I can say. Personal experience, personal experience. So you can just take the call.
yeah.
And people do say that we should participate in hackathons and then we should give some presentations and compete in other colleges. Do the hackathons like 24 hours, 72 hours hackathons. So, what is your personal opinion on those stuff, Harshit? Like hackathons will impact on an individual career.
Yes. Absolutely. Hackathons are like very important. It's give you the how a team work, the
Okay.
insights, and like you can learn more in
Mm-hmm.
hackathons.
Mm-hmm.
If you watch tutorials, like if you watch tutorials,
Mm-hmm.
you can't gain that much kind of
Ah,
knowledge. If you are in a
totally agree with
hackathon,
you.
you can learn
That's what.
more in
Mm-hmm.
just 24 hours or 72 hours.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, hackathons are a great way to learn and connect with people,
Networking.
make good
Yep.
connections.
Yep.
From that, you can make good money and you can get job opportunities also.
Okay.
So
So here
yeah, hackathons
Sure.
is a great way.
You are along with the money, along with the identity. That's totally fine, and you also do learn the different, different people with different mindset. So, but main focus is like you'll get a networking this. If you have a
Yeah,
strong, solid network, you can go with the top level also. Like you can reach the top level people in a easy manner. So that is the benefit of hackathon and networking stuff. And totally agree with Harshit. So you will be getting expertise in different level. So that is what I can say. And what is the importance of club, Harshit? If you remember in the college days, take your example, your college example itself. So you will be having n number
Yeah.
of clubs in your colleges, right? So if you are a part of a club, what will be the added benefit, like leadership qualities, collaboration? So what is your personal opinion on that, Harshit? What are the club impact on an individual?
I've been a part of few communities like Geeks for Geeks Student Club and Google
Oh, nice.
Developer
Yeah.
Student Clubs. So from that, I was very introvert in my
Introvert.
first year. I was very introverted kind of guy. Like
Super,
so
super.
from that clubs, like I gained exposure. I started talking to people, learn from seniors, make
Uh-huh.
connections. Yeah. So basically, it helps you
Uh-huh.
in your personal development.
Okay.
I would highly suggest you if you are in first year,
Okay.
join clubs. If you are into introvert,
Uh-huh.
absolutely you should join
So, super.
clubs.
Super, ma'am. And what are the importance of CGPA, Harshit? What do you say about that? CGPA अच्छा होना
Uh,
चाहिए. हाँ,
uh, from my point of view, CGP अच्छा होना चाहिए. मेरा अच्छा नहीं है,
अच्छा नहीं है.
so
Okay. हाँ,
तो मुझे काफी problems face करनी पड़ती हैं. So
अच्छा.
I would suggest you guys to focus on your
Okay.
CGPA,
Mhm. So,
but it will not affect that. But on
mhm.
campus placement, it affects.
Udhar it will be a problem, correct. So let
Yeah.
us look at an individual have less than 6 or 7 range CGPA. कम ही है 5 CGPA. So what might be the issues he or she might face, Harshit, in the on-campus hiring? I'm speaking only on the on-campus hiring. Yeah.
Yeah. In on-campus hiring, if you are in 5 CGPA or like 6 CGPA, many companies demand you about 80% throughout your academics, like
True.
80%, 70%, and
True.
big tech like mass recruiters
Correct.
basically want 60% or 6 CGPA.
Mhm.
And if you have less than 6 CGPA, is basically very
That's
hard for you to get into tech. So
totally agree with that. And here, guys, we are speaking only with respect to on-campus. In the off-campus, you can go with your skill set. If you have some, serious skill set, some companies will ignore the CGPA and they will focus on your talent and your work. But coming to the on-campus, there will be a eligibility criteria. You should have this so and so percent of CGPA and with no active backlogs. So this is only to on-campus specifications. If you're going to the off-campus, you go with your skill set. That is one thing I would like to clear here. And Harshit, I guess we covered pretty much everything. Are we missing anything?
yeah, no, I don't think so. But I want to add something like
Please go ahead. Yep.
if you are in college first year, second year, start focusing on your
Uh,
studies.
mhm.
Uh, it's basically help you in your career
Uh,
and maintain your CGPA like 7.5,
mhm.
above 7.5. 7.5 is great for to get eligible for every companies like
Mhm.
so. Sometimes off-campus placement also, I think CGPA matters.
Mhm.
What you say
मैं तो
about
मैं तो
that?
लास्ट बेंचर हूँ भाई. मैं तो लास्ट बेंचर हूँ. So you know what I will speak. So people can relate the last benches, but you should take some decisions at correct time, or else you will regret that scenario. Okay, if you are a last bencher, if you are a first bencher, doesn't make any sense. Make sure that you take decisions at correct time and you will act according to that and be disciplined. So abhi to market, it's unstable. So if you have some solid skill set, you will be in demand, or else you will one among the crowd. That's what my personal thought says. And Harshit, final question. So job ready individual. अभी तो आप फाइनल ईयर में हो. So what is your strategy? How you are preparing for the job hunt? Like yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So I'm basically focusing on Java full stack, and learning more about how to implement AI into my projects. So, because AI is the future, every if there in every job AI will be integrated.
Ah,
So
agree.
yeah, so you have to keep up with AI. So I'm basically learning more about AI
Okay.
and stuff, and focusing on on my tech stack
Okay.
and building projects. If you don't build projects, like you can
And someone correct.
clone projects.
Correct.
it doesn't work anymore. Like so,
Correct. So,
yeah.
just,
Focus on
speaking,
real world problems.
totally agree. So, speaking Harshit's instead in a simple word, if you want to learn car driving, uh, learning theory doesn't make any sense. You should sit in the car and you should try to learn. अब accident होना तो that was the secondary, but learning theoretically is different and sitting into the car and driving is different. So that is what Harshit is trying to say. Do hands-on project at any cost. Since you are a fresher, it is very important that you do some serious hands-on experience. Then you will be in demand, as I mentioned earlier. And Harshit, if you want to talk about your influencer journey, age, please, this is the time. Good.
Like I started away back in 20. I started 19 November 2023. Started my page. Yeah.
Okay.
So from that, I started like 100 days of coding videos. Like
Uh-huh.
what I learn, I just
Uh-huh.
share my stuff. So on like 3 to 4 months, I gained is like 100 followers.
Uh-huh.
I जहाँ तक मुझे पता है.
Uh-huh.
So it's very demotivating for me. I like 19 views, 20 views in initially. Sorry.
Initial phase.
So, but I constantly posting my stuff. So from that one video blew up, and
Mhm.
from that I gained like 5,000 followers.
Oh,
So
man.
from that I started getting motivation to post videos, like make videos, post content. So started from that.
So only one word I can say consistency. Correct.
Yeah, totally. Consistency in everything. Consistency is very important. In coding, consistency is very important.
Hmm. Totally agree with. Totally agree with. Yep. So I guess we covered pretty much everything, Harshit. In the coming days, if you have some new ideas, new information, we can do extension of this video if you're okay. So let take
Yeah.
this to other level. So here, this is only centric to engineering students and the people who are doing in the final year of their engineering CSC department. So CSC department, electric, they can have a knowledge about AI because it is integrated in all the departments, irrespective of individual CSC department. So thanks a lot, Harshit, for taking time and joining us. I know you are sharing your day-to-day routine and also the about the AI. So thanks a lot for taking time and joining us today. Thanks a lot, man.
Thanks for having me on the channel.
Super.
Actually,
And if you want
it's
to connect,
really great to talk to you.
pleasure, buddy, pleasure. I know after 10 minutes you class gonna start, so I'll finish it off soon. Okay, no worries.
Yeah,
So, yeah, guys, if you want to correct Harshit, you can directly DM him on Instagram, and I will share his Instagram link in the description. Just go have a connect. He's a great friend. He's a great mentor too. So you can just connect one to one. And thanks a lot, man, for taking time and joining us today.
thanks for having me. Thanks for having me.
So yeah, guys, this is about a talk. If not a subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. We do have a community. Just join and make use of the community. And see you in the next video. Take care.